Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a sensory bag that you can use for mark making. So for that you need a half a cup of hair gel, a Ziploc bag and some food coloring and something to seal it so it doesn't leak out. So you can get your child to help you scoop the gel into the Ziploc bag, and as you can see I place the Ziploc bag over a cup just to make it a little bit easier for you to handle. So there you go, we've got the gel and a little bit of food coloring, and then you are going to seal the bag and try to get all the air out. Let's give it a good mix so the colour mix in. The more colour you put in, the better it's going to work, so you'll be able to see your marks a little bit better. I don't have a lot of food colouring in here at the moment. And you can spread your hair gel over the bag. And then you can use your finger or a cotton bud and you can make your marks. And at this stage, we don't expect them to be forming numerals. As long as they do circles and lines, those are all the shapes that's later going to be needed to write numbers. If you don't have hair gel or you don't want to use your hair gel, you can do the same activity with a tray of sand or salt, or even if you dare some sugar, although they might be licking their fingers. And same thing, you can use your finger, you can use a pencil, you can use an earbud, and you can make your shapes in the sand. And when you give it a little shake, you can start all over again. Hope you enjoy that.